Nala. Nala. I'm sorry. No, 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 no.
Do you mind? Ew!
No. Oh, no. I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you.
You like the— Oh!
Give me Paul. I'm trying to do that challenge. Come on, give me Paul.
How I get my dog to take her medicine.
Whoops. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hey.
Attacked by these fucking dogs.
Hey.
Go! Oh.
Are your armpits so ticklish? Are your armpits so ticklish?
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.
You don't jump on my couch.
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus!
Good boy.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Can you smile? Paul, let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome.
Get up there. Get up there!
Louis! Oh my God.
Let's get out.
Are you wearing the same shirt as me? Oh, morning, Prue. Hi, guys. You're both wearing...
Allowed on the bed, you— No!
You gonna smile again to me? Smile. Okay.
Not allowed on the bed, you— No!
You are adopted.
Girl, what's wrong? What happened?
Ready, boy?
Bitch ass dog.
Oh, no.
He's so creepy. Get away from me. Get away from me.
Get in the box. Yep.
Oh no. Oh no. Skinny jeans. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
Came back from playing baseball. Nick Anderson stole his rock.
Ridiculous.
It is your fault. No, it's your fault. You're feeding him too much.
Go get it. Oh.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get on up. Let's get on up.
Seriously? Wang.
Whoa.
What's this? What is that? Hurry, in here. Drop it in here. There you go.
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
Preston, what are you working on? You look a little suspicious. Oh, Preston.
What happened?
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Come here.
Oh, what?